it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Do you love me? Do you not? Either way, you had me from the start.
Alright guys, this is how she's turning out so far. We're doing the Bart look. This is on the 15-foot Duracraft that I purchased. A little stump jumper for little PD. Just putting the Bart look on it. I think it's turning out pretty good. What y'all guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. What I should have done different. What I need to do next time. Like I say guys, it's just a little stump jumper for little PD. It's going to be beat and bang around, get in some of these lakes, tight spots, because like I say, when the water starts dropping out here around the house, we're running an average of 3 to 5 foot maybe. Like I say, we like for it to be around 6-7 foot, but when it starts falling out, it falls out fast. Stay tuned. There she is, the finished product. Just doing the outside. What y'all think? I think it turned out too bad. I don't think it turned out bad at all. Chump change. Alright guys, this is what we run into today. It's sort of put a stop on production. Got the first part of the first piece of hydroturf in. Got it finished painting it. Flipped it over on the trailer, but it is blowing in. To be continued, guys.